This segment is sponsored by Austin Telco Federal Credit Union. Hey, have you considered refinancing your car loan recently? Pamela Cotton, Vice President of Member Services at Austin Telco Federal Credit Union, is joining us with tips on why, how, and when to get started. Pam, good morning.
Good morning, Rosie.
Pam, let's talk about the why. Why should you consider refinancing your car loan?
That's a great question, Rosie. So you've had your loan for a little while, maybe rates have dropped. So it's a good time to check. Maybe you can get a lower interest rate and save some money on that loan. Another thing you could do is reduce your monthly payments. So maybe your situation has changed, the payments are a little high. Maybe your lender will extend the term for you to lower those payments for you. And then if there's a change in your financial situation, maybe your credit score is better. Interest rates are based on your credit score. If your credit score has gone up, then maybe you can get a better interest rate. And then paying off your loan faster, obviously you get a better interest rate, you're gonna lower those payments, but the interest rate will be less as you pay it off. So you're gonna pay it off sooner. And then there's a competitive financial market out there. So people are looking to lend that money, so it's a great time to see if you can get a better rate on your loan.
Take advantage of it. I love to hear that. Okay, what determines approval for something like an auto loan refinance? What do we need?
Yeah, so more importantly, your credit report and your credit score. That's going to tell a lender how likely you are to pay that loan back. What does your payment history look like? And then your employment, income stability. How long have you been on the job? It's going to show that history of employment, and are you a dependable person? Your debt to income ratio. How much debt do you have? How much money is going out as opposed to your income? That's your debt to income ratio. And then the loan to value ratio tells you the value of that vehicle, the balance you owe as opposed to what the value is.
Okay, of the actual car.
Yes.
I had never heard of loan to value ratio before today, so it's another one of the thousands of things I've learned from you.
Absolutely.
Let's talk about how we'd go about refinancing an auto loan.
So when you want to refinance, you do have a lot of options available. So you want to consider what loan term you want, what kind of payment do you want, and that's going to help you decide on which loan you're going to get. And just remember, you're replacing the old loan with a new loan, right? And you want it to be better. Let's say you can't afford the payment. Maybe the interest rate may not be better, but it's better for you at the time. So you want to consider that as well. Tax anticipation loans. Those you want to steer clear of. They may have really high interest rates and they're not going to benefit you. So, and the very last thing is you want to shop around because you want to find the best rate. We at Austin Telco are very proud of the rates that we have, but we encourage you to shop around to just ensure that we do have the best rates.
Absolutely. Due diligence all around. Pam,
Yes.
we appreciate the education. Thank you.
Thank you, Rosie.
To learn more about all of the services that Austin Telco Federal Credit Union has to offer, go to atfcu.org. This segment is sponsored by Austin Telco Federal Credit Union.